In this class, we're going to look at the meaning of JavaScript and the reason why I think you should study JavaScript now. Okay? So you can see, JavaScript is a popular programming language that is used to make web pages more interactive and dynamic. It is also used to build web and mobile applications. Okay? Games and even desktop softwares. Okay? JavaScript is a powerful tool for anyone who wants to learn how to code. You want to learn how to code? Why not start with what? JavaScript. It's very powerful and very versatile. Okay? Next, let's look at why you should study JavaScript. As an absolute beginner, okay, learning JavaScript can be a great way to start your coding journey. Here are some reasons why. It's beginner friendly. JavaScript is what? Beginner friendly. JavaScript is relatively easy language to learn, especially compared to other programming languages. It has a simple syntax and many resources available for beginners. It's in high demand. Okay? JavaScript is one of the most popular programming languages. In 2021, Stack Overflow ran a survey to check the most popular programming languages in the world. They found that the most popular programming language is JavaScript, followed by CSS and HTML, then Python. JavaScript is maintaining the lead among all the programming languages. Okay? Very popular. It is used by many companies to build websites and applications. This means that there are many job opportunities available for people with JavaScript skills. Okay? It is versatile. Versatility. JavaScript can be used for many different things. Many different things. From creating simple animation on a website to building complex web applications. This means that you can use JavaScript to build projects that interest you and fit your goals. Okay? It has a supportive community. There is a large and active community of JavaScript developers who are always willing to help beginners. Just like this channel, if you have not subscribed, please click that subscribe button. There are many online forums, tutorials, and resources available to help you learn and grow. Fun to learn. Once you start coding with JavaScript, you will find that it can be a lot fun. You will be able to create cool animations, build your own projects, and see your code come to life. It is a great way to exercise your creativity and problem-solving skills. In summary, learning JavaScript is a great way for an absolute beginner to start their coding journey. It's beginner friendly, in high demand. Don't forget this, in high demand. Just go to Google now, put JavaScript job across the world. You will see a lot of them waiting for somebody like you to fill it up. Okay? Versatile, has a supportive community, can be a lot of fun. So, if you are interested in learning how to code, JavaScript is definitely worth considering. And if that is your interest, click the subscribe button. I will try as much as possible to make JavaScript very easy for you to learn. Without any further ado, let's go straight to the next class.